Imagine standing on a cliff, looking out over the edge of the endless ocean. Wave after wave rolls toward the shore. It looks calm, timeless, perfectly unchanging. But hidden behind this peaceful horizon is one of the most violent mathematical contradictions on our planet. Because every single second our continents are bleeding water. Over 1 million cubic meters of fresh water pour into the oceans every tick of the clock. The Nile through the desert, the massive Ganges, the Mississippi, and the Amazon alone dumps over 200,000 cubic meters of water into the Atlantic every second, flooding the sea with the volume of 80 Olympic swimming pools. Before you can blink. Day after day, year after year, for millions of years, this relentless downpour has never paused. Now think about the physics of that. If you left a tap running into a bathtub, it would flood your house in minutes. If you pour water into any container, eventually it spills over. So why hasn't the largest basin on the planet done the same? Why aren't our coastlines expanding every single year? Why hasn't the sea slowly climbed up our mountains, turning Earth into a completely submerged water world? Why doesn't this chaos happen naturally? It's a question most of us never stop to ask. Yet the answer reveals an extraordinary planetary engine that has kept our world in a state of flawless, cosmic balance for billions of years. Earth has been quietly solving this problem since the dawn of time. And once you understand how it works, you will never look at the horizon the same way again. Long before satellites, climate science, or modern geology, civilization stood on these very same shores, stared into the abyss, and tried to answer this mystery in their own extraordinary ways. The ancient Greeks believed a great river god named Oceanus encircled the entire world, an endless stream feeding every sea, lake, and river on Earth in one closed loop. Norse mythology told of a serpent, Jörmungandr, so vast it encircled the ocean itself, biting its own tail to hold the world's waters in balance. And in Hindu tradition, gods and demons churned a cosmic ocean of milk, believing the sea held the secrets of creation and immortality itself. Different cultures, oceans apart, arrived at the same instinct, that the sea was held in balance by something greater than themselves. It would take thousands of years and modern science to find out they weren't entirely wrong. The mystery that puzzled civilizations for thousands of years has always been powered by a single colossal engine. The sun, every single day, its energy pours onto the surface of the oceans, transferring immense heat into the water below. As the ocean warms, water begins an extraordinary transformation. It becomes invisible water vapor and rises into the atmosphere. Together, more than 1 trillion tons of water are lifted into the sky every single day. High above the Earth, the air grows colder. The water vapor cools, condenses, and forms billions of tiny droplets that gather into clouds. Driven by powerful winds, those clouds drift across mountains, forests, and continents until they release fresh water as rain and snow. That water feeds rivers, which carry it all the way back to the sea. It is a closed, perfectly balanced cycle, a planetary engine powered by the sun, recycling Earth's water again and again for billions of years. The oceans never overflow because they are constantly returning to the sky. Every wave, every cloud, every river is part of the same extraordinary journey. For billions of years, our planet has quietly recycled the same water, sustaining every forest, every ocean, and every living thing, including us. Sometimes, the greatest engineering marvel on Earth is Earth itself.